YouTube. I'm reviewing the Nerf Demolition. It's quite nice quality. It needs batteries, about 3 or 4, and a missile fits in there. And here it's got a banana mag. If you're wondering, you press this button to pull this out. So then it's got this back part here, so you can put the other missile in, but I've lost it. I'll show you how it looks. You're probably wondering what this button does. It turns on the gun, and then you can basically shoot. I'm not sure if you saw that, but I did shoot. And now we're gonna do some demolition. I set up a base, if you can see that. Sorry, it's just that I'm recording with my phone. So then, let's do some damage. I built this robot, people on, for a second. Okay, it might get jammed from the top here. You pull that open, you push the bullet back, you push it down, you push it a bit in, close it, start it up, and then it's jammed again, and then I'm going to show you